Tonight, deep in the jungles of Mexico, a Mayan temple stands silently in daylight, but at night, it comes alive with strange, unexplainable sounds. Whispers, hums, and echoes that have puzzled locals, archaeologists, and explorers for decades. What could possibly make an ancient stone structure sing after thousands of years? This isn't a story of superstition. It's a mystery grounded in history, acoustics, and possibly something far stranger. The temple, hidden beneath thick jungle vines, dates back over 1,000 years. Scholars have documented its intricate carvings, celestial alignments, and ritual chambers. But at night, when the wind dies down and the jungle grows quiet, strange sounds emerge. Low hums, rhythmic knocks, and occasional metallic tones that echo across the stone steps. Locals call it the temple's voice, claiming it communicates with the spirits of the past. But scientists have their own explanations, some straightforward, some shocking. Archaeologists first noticed these sounds during nighttime surveys. Their initial theory, natural acoustics, the temple's unique architecture, step terraces, hollowed chambers, and stone carvings, creates an unusual resonance. Wind passing through the temple can generate harmonic tones, some so low or high they feel almost alive. But that's only part of the story. Some sounds appear too precise to be natural. Rhythmic knocks that seem to mimic drumming, echoes that align with the temple's ceremonial chambers. Could these have been engineered intentionally by the ancient Mayans? Evidence suggests they understood sound in ritual contexts. Ceremonial drums, hollow stone floors, and even architectural acoustics may have amplified their ceremonies for thousands of spectators. Even more intriguing, recent recordings reveal that the temple's voice changes with lunar cycles. During certain nights, the sounds intensify, almost as if responding to the moon. While some scientists attribute this to temperature and air pressure variations, locals insist it's a connection to the gods the temple was dedicated to. So, why does this Mayan temple still make sounds at night? Partly physics, partly design, and partly mystery. Whether it's echoes of ancient rituals, natural acoustics, or something the Mayans intentionally left behind to communicate across time, the temple's voice continues to haunt the jungle and the minds of everyone who hears it. Next time you walk past an ancient ruin, listen closely. You might just hear the past speaking back.